Hello, children. I am an ostrich. I cannot fly, but I can run very fast.
Hello children, I am an owl. I live on trees. I can fly and I live well at night.
Hello children, I am a duck. I live near water. I can swim and also fly.
Hello, children. I am a parrot. I can fly and I can talk. Hello, children. I am a flamingo. I live near water. I can fly and stand on one leg.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are learning about birds.
This is an ostrich. It lives on land. It cannot fly, but it can run very fast.
Is an owl. It lives on trees. It can fly and see well at night.
This is a duck. It lives near water. It can swim and also fly. This is a parrot. It lives on trees. It can fly and talk. This is a flamingo. It lives near water. It can fly and stand on one leg. Children, I hope you understand about birds.
Hello little stars. Do you know who I am?
I am number 9. I come after number 8.
Look, how many mice are here? Let us count them with the help of our teacher.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about number 9 together. Children, number 9 comes after number 8 when we count 1 to 10. This helps us understand the order of numbers while counting. Now, look at the mice and count them slowly along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good children, you did a...
Hello, little stars. Do you know who I am? I am letter T.
Hello. I am a telephone. My name starts with T.
Hi, children. I am a table. T for table.
Yummy, I am a tomato. My name begins with T. Beep, beep, I am a taxi. T for taxi.
Now your teacher will explain you more about us.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn letter T.
Look at this letter carefully. This is capital letter T. It has one long line and one short line on the top.
This is a telephone. We use a telephone to talk to people. This is a table. We use a table to eat food and keep things.
This is a tomato. A tomato is a healthy vegetable we eat. Right. This is a taxi. We use a taxi to travel from one place to another.
Good job, children.
Hello, children. I am orange color. I look bright and happy.
Hello, children. I am basket pot. I am orange in color. Hello, children. I am a fish. I am orange in color. I live in water.
Hello, I'm the color purple. Purple is a bright and happy color. Some purple objects are a fig and a brinjal.
Hello, children. I am fig. I am purple in color. Hello, children. I am brinjal. I am purple in color.
To our new session. Today we are going to learn about a beautiful color orange and purple. So, look at this color carefully. This is the color orange. This is a basketball. We use a basketball to play games. This is a fish. Fish live in water. Now children, let us learn another color. This color is purple. This is a fig. A fig is purple in color. It is a healthy fruit. This is a brinjal. A brinjal is also purple in color. We eat brinjal as a vegetable. So children, today we learned orange and purple colors. Good job.
Hello, children. I am letter U. Hello, children. I am unhappy. I feel unhappy when I am sad.
Hello, children. This is my uniform and I am wearing it. Hello children, I am an umbrella. I help you in the rain.
Hello children, I am Uncle.
Children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter. This is the capital letter U. This is unhappy. Unhappy starts with letter U. When someone is sad, they feel unhappy. Is an umbrella. We use an umbrella when it rains. Umbrella starts with letter U. Now see this uniform. Children wear uniform to school. Uniform also starts with letter U. Look at this picture. This is uncle. Uncle starts with letter U. Very good children. Today we learned letter U and U words.
Hello children, I am a penguin.
Hello children, I am a crow. Hello children, I am a pigeon. Hello children, I am a eagle. Hello children, I am a peacock. Hello children, I am a sparrow.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about birds. This is a penguin. Penguin lives in very cold places.
This is a crow. Crow is black in color. Crow can fly and we see it around our homes.
This is a pigeon. They live near houses and buildings. This is an eagle. Eagle flies very high. It has very sharp eyes.
A peacock. Peacock has colorful feathers. Peacock is our national bird.
This is a sparrow. Sparrow is small and brown in color. It lives near our houses. Good job, children. Today we learned about different birds.
The dog says bow wow, the cat says meow wow, the sheep says bow bow, a little pig says wee wee wee, the clock says tick tick, the hen says cluck cluck, the cock says cock-a-doodle doo doo.
Hello little stars, do you know who I am? I am letter V. Hello children, I am vegetables. Hello children, I am van. Hello children, I am vase. Hello children, I am vulture.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter. This letter is letter V. Children, look at this letter carefully. This is capital letter V. It has two slanting lines. This is vegetables. Vegetables help us grow strong and healthy.
This is a van. A van is used to travel and carry people or goods from one place to another. This is a vase. A vase is used to keep flowers and make our home look beautiful. This is a vulture. A vulture is a bird that helps keep nature clean.
Very good job, children. You learned letter V so nicely today.
Hello children, I am a rose.
Yes.
Hello children, I am a lily. Hello children, I am a champa.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about flowers. This is a rose. A rose is a beautiful flower. It is used for decoration.
This is a lily. A lily smells nice. It is used to decorate homes and gardens. This is a champa flower. Champa has a sweet smell. It is used in prayers and garlands. Good job, children. Now you know about flowers.
Hello little stars, I am letter W. Hello children, I am water. Hello little ones, I am a window. Hi friends, I am wool. Hello children, I am a windmill.
Now our teacher will explain to you about objects and letter W.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn a new letter W. Look carefully at this letter children. This is capital letter W. Children, this is water. We drink water every day to stay healthy. This is a window. A window lets fresh air and sunlight come inside. This is wool. Wool is used to make warm clothes. This is a windmill. A windmill uses wind to make electric energy. Great job, children.